how to change Siri name on your iPhone devices. Now, this method is extremely simple, so let's jump straight into the video. Basically, first things first, you want to make sure that your iOS version is up to date in order to make sure that you have this feature. Right after that, let's now open up our system settings. Inside system settings, you want to scroll down to the accessibility option, and from here once again scroll down until you find the vocal shortcuts. From here, go ahead and click on setup vocal shortcuts. From here you can just go ahead and search for Siri, and inside you want to go ahead and add the name of the Siri right here. From here I'll go ahead and type something like Noah. Go ahead and click on go, and from here you want to go ahead and say Noah 3 times. Noah, Noah, Noah. Noah, Noah, Noah. Noah, Noah, Noah. And now if I go ahead and say that specific vocal shortcuts, it will now take me to my new name Siri called Noah. And so, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.